In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate the area of triangles and rectangles. In our first video that I'll link here, we looked at some of the basic ways that we can calculate area. With the example on the left-hand side, I've got a triangle with a base of 14 and a perpendicular height of 7. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is a half of the base times by the height. Now, because all of these terms are being multiplied together, it doesn't matter if you do base times by height, then half it, or half the base and times it by the height, or half the height and times it by the base. Substituting in the information, I get a half of 14 times by 7. So mathematically for me, it's much easier to half the base, which is 7, and times it by the height. This gives 49, and the units, because the triangle is measured in centimeters, will be centimeter squared, because we're dealing with area. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. In this question, I've been given a rectangle with a base of 12 and a height of 9. The formula for the area of a rectangle is simply base times by height. 12 times by 9 is 108, and the units, because it's area, will be centimeter squared.